It seemed like they got called there for something, and the guy just came out the crib wildin' like.
Started from the bottom, ain't quite make it to the top. Shit hot around the block. Shoot like Robert Horry, but like Jordan always scoring. Started from the bottom.
Yeah, what up, y'all? So a man charged at an officer with a knife, and something crazy happened. So let's get into it.
Come to the door. Central, I got contact with him in the front door. Hey, drop the knife! Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Shots fired, Central. Shots fired. Are you okay? Are you okay?
Oh boy, nah, that's crazy. Hold up. So it seemed like they got called there for something, and the guy just came out the crib wildin' like. He came out there wildin' like.
Come to the door. Central, I got contact with him in the front door. Hey, drop the knife! Drop the knife!
Oh. Nah.
Shots fired, Central. Shots fired.
That's crazy.
Are you okay? Are you okay? Hey, sir. Go get the meds. Go get medical. Sir. Stay with me, man. Stay with me.
Start CPR.
Where's the knife? It's over there. I fired 3 shots. 3 shots at him.
All right.
Oh, he got a pulse.
Sir, stay with me, man. Stay with me, man.
Damn, they got my boy sleep. You hear? He like. That boy is sleep. That boy is in a deep sleep, boy.
Get your
Right here.
thighs out.
Stay with me, brother. Stay with me.
You good?
Yep.
All right. What you got? All right. What do you got on the back side?
Right here.
What about on the other side?
I'm not sure.
Roll.
No exit wounds.
No exit?
No exit.
All right. Start CPR. Oh, I got it.
You can't just come after the cop with a knife and not expect nothing to happen. Like, you feel me? That boy, man, that officer put that boy in a deep sleep, boy. Like, what? You coming after me like, yo, you bugging. Man, hopefully, everything worked out or whatever, but night. You hear me? Night.